All right, in this video we're going to solve this triangle, which basically means find all these unknown angles. And in the process we're going to end up having to find that variable x. Now there's an algebraic way to do this, but I want you to set it up logically. Okay, and what we know is that if we add all three angles together in the triangle, okay, around the inside, we have that angle, the red angle, the blue angle, and the green angle. If I add all those up, I'm going to get 180. And this is true for every single triangle, no matter which kind it is. So let's write what we know. Even though we don't know the actual amounts for these things, let's write what's there. The red angle is x. The blue angle is 90. And the green angle is 2x minus 21. And if I add all those together like I've written there, I should get 180 for my result. Now what you see here is we took a drawing and turned it into an algebraic equation. Now forget about the drawing for a moment and just use a little bit of algebra. Let's see if we can figure this out. Let's look for like terms to put together. I have 1x and 2x. I'm going to put those together and add them up. I get 3x. I have 90 and negative 21, and if I add those together, I get positive 69. Alright, so now I've got a fairly simple looking equation. Let's just see where this leads, and then we'll look at the logic of it when we're done. I'm going to subtract 69 from both sides, and that's going to give me 3x equals 111. Okay. And if I divide by 3, this doesn't have to always come out to be a nice number, but this time it does. I get this x, this unknown value, is 37. Okay. Now, have I actually solved the triangle? Not quite, but I've got all the hard work done. I just need to sort of put it together mentally. Let's look at the red angle. Oh, that's just x degrees, and I know x is 37, so this thing right here must be 37 degrees. Okay. What about the one over here that looks more complicated? Well, let's not freak out just yet. Let's just see if we can do this with a little bit of algebra. I'm going to take 2 times my x value, which is 37, minus 21. And that should tell me what it is. 2 times 37 is 74. And 74 minus 21, well, 74 minus 20 gives me 54. And minus 1 gives me 53. Okay, so this has got to be 53 degrees. Okay, now there's other ways to figure this out. There's a lot of ways to get to the same spot. And you can use the other ways to check your answer also. I know I should get 180 for the total. So if I take 37 plus 90 plus 53, that should get me 180. Or I could have taken 37 plus 90 and subtracted that from 180 to see what's left over. And that would have also gotten me 53. There's a lot of ways to go about this. Okay? Now that's an example of what's called the angle sum theorem for triangles. That basically means you can add all three angles up inside and get 180. And this is a very helpful thing to do. No matter what you see, write this angle plus this angle plus this angle equals 180, and you'll eventually figure it out.